So your hope for restoration is lost until your salvation is sure. The hope for restoration is lost until your salvation is sure. So your salvation has to be sure. Now you ask me, man of God, when did you get born again? When did you become a child of God? When did you become a Christian? I will tell you, I was born in a church. I grew up in a church, but I gave my heart to Jesus 28th of February 1988, 5:45 in the evening. I can take you to that place where I knelt down and surrendered my life to Jesus. Can you say you have had an experience with Jesus? Can you say you have been redeemed by his precious blood? There are some things that will not happen again in your life anymore. The moment you have said you have given your heart to Jesus, your way of life will change. The passion that you have in life will become different. You can't be everywhere anymore. You are selective of where you want to be now that you are a child of God. You want to do things to please God. I want to ask you, you are watching me there. You want restoration. You want God to bless you. But is your lifestyle pleasing to God? Do you have a passion for God? Do you have a passion for the things of God? Do you love the things of God?